Are you tired of logging in every single month just to pay your utility bill? Well, keeping the lights on and the water flowing is an essential part of life, but dealing with the actual bill, yeah, that's a chore most of us could absolutely do without. Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're going to completely demystify the JEA Autopay system. By the time we're done here, you'll know exactly how to effortlessly set up an automated schedule, dodge those annoying late fees, and make sure your vital services are never, ever interrupted.
Here is our quick agenda for today. 1. The cost-saving hook. 2. Pre-setup account considerations. 3. Step-by-step setup guide. 4. FAQs and timelines. 5. Pro tips for managing autopay. And 6. Wrap-up and disclaimer.
Section 1. The cost-saving hook. Let's be real. Nobody likes paying extra fees, right? With recent changes to JEA's payment structure, there is literally no better time to rethink how you pay your utility bill. You might be totally used to just logging on and swiping a debit or credit card every month, but as of September 30th, 2024, JEA actually restored vendor service fees for card payments made online or over the phone. Now get this, over the past 2 years, JEA actually absorbed over $9 million in credit and debit card processing fees. They did this to help out the community during a tough time, but ultimately they had to return to standard utility sector practices, where these pass-through vendor fees are funded by the customer. So to be clear, JEA doesn't profit from these fees at all, but they're a reality you now have to deal with if you're using a card.
So what does this actually mean for your wallet? If you're paying with a credit or debit card, a bill up to $400 will cost you an extra $2.35. If your bill is higher, let's say up to $1,000, that fee jumps up to $8.95. And for larger bills up to $2,500, you're looking at a hefty $40 fee. But check out that bottom row. Setting up autopay via direct bank draft remains completely fee-free, $0.00. So by setting up autopay with your checking or savings account, you entirely bypass these new vendor charges. It's a no-brainer.
Section 2. Pre-setup account considerations. Before we actually hit go on the setup process, let's make sure you've got your ducks in a row so you don't hit any frustrating roadblocks. You need an active JEA account, obviously, but here's the kicker. Your account balance has to be at 0, and you cannot currently be in a payment extension plan. Basically, if you owe money right now, you've got to clear that balance first. You'll also want to have your 12-digit JEA account number handy. You can just grab that from your statement, along with the last 4 digits of your Social Security number or just a previous bill amount, just to verify it's really you. Finally, grab your checkbook because you're going to need your 9-digit bank routing number and your actual bank account number. Section 3. Step-by-step setup guide.
Let's get down to business. This is so simple. It'll literally take you 2 minutes. Even if you consider yourself totally non-tech savvy, you got this. Just 4 simple clicks. Step 1, sign into your account on JEA.com or just open up the My JEA mobile app. Step 2, find the Billing and Payment Options menu and tap on Auto Pay Settings. Step 3, this is where you punch in that 9-digit bank routing number and your checking or savings account number. Finally, Step 4, just check the box to accept the terms and conditions, which just authorizes the monthly electronic draft, and click Update. And boom, that's it. You've securely authorized your automated payment.
Now, here's a quick pro tip for you. I highly recommend using the My JEA mobile app for this. Operational reviews show that the app gives you a wonderfully transparent interface for managing your active payment methods. Sometimes on a desktop browser, your saved bank details can feel, kind of hidden after you set them up, but the mobile app keeps your active bank connections front and center, giving you total peace of mind that everything is configured perfectly. Section 4. Troubleshooting and common FAQs. Okay, even with this super simple setup, questions always pop up. So let's talk timelines, because this is where most people get tripped up. Listen closely to this part. If you enroll in AutoPay today, it does not automatically pay the bill that's already sitting in your inbox. Your enrollment officially takes effect on your next billing cycle. That means you absolutely must pay any current balance manually by its due date, all right? Also, you're always in the driver's seat here. If you ever need to stop autopay, you can submit a cancellation request anytime. Just give JEA up to 3 business days to fully process that and pull you out of the automated queue. Here is another incredibly common gotcha moment. When your new bill is generated, your online portal will instantly update your balance to say the payment has been secured. Do not panic if you see this. Go check your checking account and realize the money hasn't moved yet. The actual withdrawal exclusively happens on your actual due date. The system is just giving you a heads up that it successfully queued up the payment. So take a breath. The money will move when it's supposed to. Section 5. Tips for managing autopay.
Now that you're totally set up and running on autopilot, let's look at a brilliant little program that takes your financial convenience to the absolute next level. It's called JEA My Budget, and it's an absolute game changer if you hate the stress of seasonal weather spikes. Living in Florida, we all know how those extreme summer cooling months or unexpected winter freezes can make your bill jump wildly. My Budget smooths all that out by analyzing your past usage and creating a predictive, rolling 12-month average.
When you combine Autopay with JEA My Budget, wow. It's basically the holy grail of financial predictability. It means you'll always know roughly exactly how much is going to be deducted from your bank account every single month. No more guessing games, no more budget-busting surprises when mid-July rolls around. It keeps your budget perfectly balanced and entirely hands-off.
Section 6, Wrap-Up and Disclaimer.
Let's bring it all home. By taking just a few minutes to set up a fee-free bank draft, you are actively protecting your wallet from those new vendor fees, which, remember, can run up to $40 a pop. You're ensuring your lights stay on without ever risking another late fee. The setup is just a ridiculously easy 4-step process. You retain total control to update or cancel whenever you want, and hey, if you ever do get stuck, JEA's customer support team is right there for you at 904-665-6000.
Now, really quickly, as a reminder, everything we've talked about in this explainer is based on current JEA policies. Stuff changes, policies get updated, so if you have any super unique account circumstances or you're watching this down the road, always double-check the specific billing details and fees directly with JEA customer service.
So I'll leave you with this final thought. Why keep paying extra fees and wasting your valuable mental energy every single month when true financial convenience is just a couple of clicks away? Take 5 minutes today. Grab your checking account number, open up the MyJEA app, and permanently cross that utility bill off your monthly to-do list. Trust me, your future self and your wallet are absolutely going to thank you.